Hi friends, again we are meetup HTML paragraph. The HTML P element defines a paragraph. You already know about it. Browsers automatically add some white space or a margin before and after a paragraph. So the HTML display, you can be sure how HTML can be displayed large or small screens and resized windows while create different results. With HTML you cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML codes. You can see here the browser will remove extra spaces and extra lines when the page is displayed. I have already given the extra spaces and extra breaks here. I have used two editors, Notepad++ and Notepad. In both editors the same thing is happening. If I give any space in any editor, the browser automatically remove. You can see here there is none of the extra spaces or anything else. But for a perfect document you can remove, for your own easiness, remove the spaces. It looks so beautiful. HTML line breaks. The HTML break element define a line break, so please you can use break element if you want a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph. I want to start a new line. Then how can I do? By adding the break tag and save. No, this one document automatically start a new line without starting a new paragraph. The break tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no int tag. So if you want to write a poem, then how you can write? Let's come to here, start a new paragraph. I'm finding a poem. So I have found a poem and save in a paragraph and control save. I can see by refreshing this page nothing is happening. Why? Now the line has been appeared, but it not looks like a poem. Again we'll get the break tag and save. The portion will be shown. Now a little bit looks like a poem, but still there is a not improvement. If I want to give some space, and change the tag option, PRE is an other preserve element. The text inside a preserve element is displayed in a fixed width font, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. Then finally I think you understand. Control save, and I'm going to refresh this page. The spaces, lines, breaks automatically fixed by the preserve element. You can use the preserve element for fixing width, font, everything as you like. Let's come to the same page, and you understand what work of break or what work of preserve element. So thank you so much. I hope you understand everything, and if there is any query, any question, please ask us without any intention. So let's we meet another tutorial, HTML styles. We will connect the CSS and HTML in our next tutorial. So goodbye, take care.